Let's find the height of both buildings. So here we have two right triangles, and let's look at the left one here. So the key to solving this is to use a Pythagorean theorem, or you can use Pythagorean triples. So one of the triples that you should know is 3, 4, 5. And here the hypotenuse is 40, and one of the sides is 24. So notice 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 8 is also 40, so 4 times 8 is 32. So this missing side has to be 32 feet. Similarly, if you look at this triangle on the right here, we have the hypotenuse is 30, and the other side is 24. So if we do 5 times 6, that's 30. 4 times 6, that's 24. And then finally, do 3 times 6, that's 18. So this missing height is 18 feet. So the height of both buildings is 32 and 18 respectively. For part B, we want to calculate the vertical height h above the ground in which the ladder crosses. So they tell us to make a coordinate system. So the x-axis will be here, and this is the y-axis. And so we want to find this point here. So what we're going to do is find the slope. Let's first find the line here. So the height is 18, the base is 24. So the slope will be change of y over change in x, and that's going to be 3 over 4. Because it has the origin as the x and y intercept, that's just going to be y equals 3/4 x. Now for the other one, we know that the y-intercept is at 32 here, and the slope is the change in y over change in x. So we're going down 32 and then right 24. So if we divide everything by 8, we get -4 over 3. So that will be y equals -4/3 x plus the y-intercept of 32. Now we're going to set these two equations equal to each other. We have 3/4 x equals -4/3 x plus 32. Let's add both sides by 4/3. So that's going to be 25 over 12x equals 32. And so now we're going to multiply both sides by 12 over 25. We get x over here. And let's see. So we're doing 32 times 12. That's going to be 384. Divided by 25, that's going to be 15.36. So what we found here is the x value is 15.36, but we want to find the y value. So we can plug it in to either equation. So plug it in to this one or this one. It's easier to plug into the first one because I don't need to add it by anything. So I'm going to take 15.36 multiplied by 3 divided by 4, and I'm going to get 11.52 as the y value. And so the height here is going to be 11.52